Well, if I talk a me, but Jaden Chase they have to make the fans them know how I really a go on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we don't find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, shocking turn of events. Members of MVP dropped from the Irama Award Show Awards. Viewers and subscribers, Alkaline, Jamil dropped, while Vybz Kartel has won 2 of the most coveted awards for 2020, Best Male DJ / Rapper, and of course the Peter Tosh Award for Recording Artist of the Year. Viewers and subscribers, Mov hanging on by a thread via a feature, viewers and subscribers, from DJ Khaled. A track titled The Holy Mountain, definitely a big track in a dancehall and the R&B and hip-hop crossover space. So that track was awarded, viewers and subscribers. And we can't say a Mov make that track the big. We can definitely say it's a DJ Khaled track for one. It's a collaboration from Buju Banton himself, the Gargamel, and of course Sizzla Kalonji, the Dada. So we can say with just those names alone, the track would have been a big R&B / hip-hop collaboration reggae track, viewers and subscribers. But surprising turn of events. Some artists, we make some talk. Where are they when it comes to the awards? When it comes to the accolades? When it comes to the achievements? Songs now do the numbers. They might drop some track. You might see them trend for a couple of hours. Whatever the case may be, and you might say, alright, that means that them career do well. At this point in time, the question in a dancehall right now is, are there 5 minutes of fame up? If I hit this, will this be a career ender for them? Well, we can't say that. We can't say based on the fact that they were not awarded, this will be a career ender for them. No, we can't say though. This is a clear reminder for them and their fans that no, the tracks, the music, it now work. And dancehall might forgive, but dancehall not forget. We see one of the artists dropped from the listing. An artist where the entire nation say, yo, yeah, use another man's style. Pay homage, pay respect. And him go as far as to try even size up with the boss. And dancehall, no, dancehall not forget and see it. When an award time, them name not there. Them drop some track and I make some speech. Waves. Them a create the wave. In hip hop music, that means that them a set a trend. But how can you be a trendsetter and not awarded? Where are you setting these trends? Will your name be on an international award show then? Are you going to receive an award internationally? No. Them name not dead. Them are the best DJ and them are the best recording artist. And if you gonna say, oh, maybe them are the best performer in a no. Guess who get that? A Buju Banton get best dancehall stagecraft entertainer. Yeah. They have a Spice. And if I'm a Buju, a Spice. But that one thing though, Buju. When you say a Buju set, we not talk about 15 minutes. That I must be set up. The set. No. When Buju go to work, we are talking about concert style performance. Yeah man, concert style performance. We not talking about half an hour. We are talking about some 45 minutes, some 60 minutes plus set. So we talk about dancehall stagecraft. And remember, the type of hits that Buju have transcend just dancehall. It even going to the reggae. Because him have hits as a dancehall artist and him have hits as a reggae artist. So them couldn't get that award then either. And them couldn't get best new entertainer. The Jacob Miller award for best vocalist. Them couldn't get that neither. Alkaline grab that. Where them named upon the award sheet. Nowhere to be found. Talk to me. We see even artists residing overseas. Bad Bunny, Stone Boy them. I'm gonna see them name nowhere. We have to search again. Let's search again. Maybe we'll miss them. Maybe we miss them. No, them not did it. As I'm say, moving on by a thread. On the Holy Mountain feature, just by a thread. If him name never there on the track, him won't get that award. You know what I mean? And best reggae rock entertainer at the movement grab that. So if we had said the futuristic style, them have the overseas market, no. Them just not dead. And Popcorn can definitely say the right. When he make him statement and say, yo, them never get picked. Emperor of Reggae and World Music, the Honorable Bob Marley Award for Entertainer of the Year. Poppy grab that. One thing for certain, students have a teacher. And artists who have paid their respects are all here in the lineup. Except the few who choose to walk the road and feel like say, oh yo, them can tell dancehall. As a matter of fact, Massacre has also been dropped. We don't say Massacre name on the lineup, no way. And Massacre was also an artist recently with us a Gaza genocide, but guess what? Massacre tell Canadian fans say, oh, him are the king. And him can't do that. You can't do that, Massacre. Good artist, but what? Wrong move. And I speculate that was a move by management. Yeah, I feel like a management tell Massacre to make that move. That say, make that statement there. Maybe people run with it. Wrong move. That wasn't a business move. That was a statement, a publicity stunt. I never worked. It never worked. Dancehall say, wait. How Massacre do call himself the king of the dancehall? No. But at that point in time, we see a slow decline in the progression of Massacre and his career. But as I was saying, the fact that they are not awarded, we can't say, yo, that means, say, yo, these are signs that the end is near for their career. No, not winning an award. It's just a clear reminder, so you have to step a game up. Instead of taking to the gram and I post and I make some talk and I agree with some fans who I make some talk, maybe if I take it to the studio and make some tracks. Yeah, make some tracks, put it on the wax. You know what I mean? Put it on the audio file and make we decide after hearing the music. And don't not put out music and then try and make some statements. Recent tracks from these artists have not only trended but garnered strong amount of, you know what I mean, attention. But at the same time, it has not been enough for them win the award for the year. So that would have said them now put in enough work in the places where music is considered. We don't let them divert them attention to some other pursuits. Body free to pursue what they want to pursue. But when it comes to the field of music, them not there. And Vybz Kartel still dominate that. And all other students and people who have paid homage. Because Chronics get it too. Yeah, Chronics has been awarded. So it's not a bias. We can't say, oh, them play favorites. It's definitely a reflection of the views of the streets. You know what I mean? Papi definitely do it on an international level. We can't go around that. We talk about new artists that fall down on the scene. A Chronic law that. I mean, nobody telling them nothing. Chronic law that. The boss deal with the thing on a level way. We talk about lyrics too. Me David say your Massacre was a big lyricist. And him still is. But Chronic law definitely proves say, yo, and that's the ones that they are told of the thing on a level. Yeah, even the ones outside of the 6 mile radius or the 9 mile still have it the same way. So it's a good look to see fresh faces, a fresh sound, some rhyme, some flow pattern, some statement of mere Chronic law make in a certain track. Only people from that end or that side rather of the island would have even taught them things. You see me? People from town really even have conversations or articulate themselves that way. So even that is fresh for the ears. And the fans them like the energy. So it's a good look. Definitely an artist where I put out the work. Or talk about recording or recorded tracks. I the teacher that. I definitely the teacher that. I the only artist where when we hear say a new song about for drop, the whole dancehall pause and wait upon it. Just to see how it got sound, where I'm going to talk about. Even when we already know the cover art and know the title of the track. we still like, imagine how I'm going to say it and what I'm going to talk about. Definitely teach you that. But it's the one called Jaden Chase viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. And we have just had another exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. And I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, and you're just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform, viewers and subscribers. The like icon there too as well. So if I like, we drop a like on the vlog. In truth, the share icon is also there as well. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason and join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7. No matter when you see the vlog, just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the something go up, move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours that we want to live, love and prosper. Until the reason again.